Hi guys, welcome to today's video. It's a girl Makia. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I preserve my hair, how I'm able to pack these long fake locks. My greatest struggle with my hair, the reason I don't like making my hair has been this. This has been the highest struggle. You see this? There's no way I'll put this on my hair and wake up with it. In fact, after 5 minutes, it has already fallen off. And if you are someone who carries your natural hair, one of the things that your hair will keep breaking. Your hair will keep losing moisture. All the water, all the things that you used to like put moisture, put everything on, nutrients on your hair, you will lose them as you sleep. So this is, I think I bought this for 10 euros or so, or 5 euros. I can't remember, but this is not good for me until I discovered this. Okay, guys, you're wondering what this is. This is called Stromfosa in Deutschland. I just finished taking my bath. That is why this one is wet. I was wearing this. So many years ago, I was crazy about this stuff. Like, I wore them every day. I was very crazy. I loved them. So I have a bag full of this, both the one that the legs are still closed, both the ones that the legs are not closed, the one that I cut. I have them in different colors. They are very, very beautiful. So for 2-3 years now, since I started driving, I've not been using them, and they've been lying there. I've not thrown them away because some of them are quite expensive and some of them are very, very nice. I said, okay, maybe someday I'm going to start wearing them again, but it's been 3 good years. I don't think I'll put on a Stromfosa. I don't think so. So guys, today I'm going to be teaching you on how you can use these babies to pack your hair and have peace. Okay guys, 1 minute. See, one of the reasons why I do not love this is this elastic. When I use this to pack my hair, this elastic rests up here on my edges, which is not even good for you. I am one of those people that anything that makes me uncomfortable, count me out. Even if I'm going to wear oversized to make sure that I am very, very comfortable, I don't mind. So when this thing comes on my hair, this elastic comes on my hair or my forehead, it gives me headache. I feel so uncomfortable. But you see these ones do not have elastic. See? Yeah, it has, it draws, but it's not elastic. It's not like the rubber or this strong thing on this. So guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to put this on your hair. And you can also wear this out. Yes, you can also wear them out. If you put them nicely, if you install them very, very nicely, you can really, really wear these things out. Yeah. Make sure you clean them properly. Make sure that you clean yours properly. I cleaned this and I washed them, and some of them I've had them for years. I'm not buying any new ones. So if you have the one that you have at home, you can use them, or you can, if you don't have one, you can also buy. So guys, I'm going to be doing an example with this. Okay guys, there are different types of this in the market. There are some that are very, very thick. Those ones are for winter. Those are not the one that I'm talking about, because that one will be very, very heavy for your hair. So the ones I'm talking about is this, like, see-through. They are very, very light. Look at it. They are they are like net. They are very, very light, but they are very, very strong. Okay, so if you are buying, do not buy those thick ones that we wear for winters. So guys, let us practicalize it. So guys, you are going to be installing them from the side. This is the middle. This is the middle of it. You're not going to be putting this way. So you're going to, as in, position it as if it is straight, and then you go this way. You can pack your hair if you want, and you can just leave it. Normally, I don't pack because when I'm sleeping, I don't want anything to disturb me. So I don't want to hold it together so that I don't feel kind of headache or something is just bothering me somewhere. I'm a very, 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 very free person everywhere. I don't want any stress. So this way, and then you have this at your back, and what you do is you try to pack your hair inside. Get all your hair inside, and voila, this is it. You can see that this is super free here. It's not tight, it's not holding me anywhere. The other ones will be so tight that it will be holding you this way, and all the veins on your forehead will be showing. So just pull back, and then you have the two legs. Okay, the way you want to tie the two legs is absolutely your business, but I will show you the way I tie mine so that it stays on my hair till the next morning. So I just lift one this way, and this way, and then I tie it at the back. Did you see the reason why I said you can wear them out? Look at it. You can wear this to sleep, and when you wake up, your hair is going to be this way. It will hold. Even if it shifts, even if this shifts, it will just shift a bit this way. But you can never have this, the whole of this, fall off your bed and leaving your hair gallivanting on top of your pillow. Gallivanting. So guys, that is it. And your hair is well protected and well packed. So guys, this is the end result. And yeah, I'm going to come very close to show you. You can see how free it is. Very free. It's not tight. It's not tight. It's not holding the vein on my forehead. It is very light, and you can actually use this to take your bath. So you can pack your hair as high as this, and you have all your neck there. You can see you are able to like scrub your neck, take your bath, and you are able to sleep very well. It's not the one that, you know, and it's super light. Air is also able to penetrate your hair. It's not like this one that is like covered. And this particular one that I have, or this particular one they sell in Europe, it's double. It has linen inside, and then it has this thing that looks like chiffon. I don't know if I should call it chiffon. So it's double. I don't know how air is going to penetrate your hair. So it's like when you remove this in the morning, your hair is smelling. So for everyone who has a natural hair, you can also wear this when you have just had a twist out, or just your hair, you just want to protect your hair. You can wear this and you will enjoy yourself. Your hair will come out very neat when you wake up in the morning like you want to fly. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you love it. If you do love it, do not forget to share, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.